This controller off on the side right here. Let me put this back on right here, guys. So I removed this controller here because this is to the controllers for the window switches and door locks. I removed it and pops out with 2 pins. You push these pins down. Here's the other one. And I've seen this fuse in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Someone must have put a wire there to pull it out. I don't know why, but let's go ahead and pull that fuse out. And fuse looks burned. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Let's go ahead and replace it. Look, Marcus, because I've been struggling with this. I put 3 switches and they all seem not to work. It just goes click, 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 click. The windows don't work on the driver's side. And I did some diagrams, some homework. It says here on the door panel, says left door. So that means everything to the left door goes to this right here, to this one, because it's got 3 of them: left door, body module, body module. So I removed this module and I seen in the back there was a fuse hidden in there. I never knew there was fuses in the back hidden. And someone attached a little string so you could pull it. Look at the string, but look at the fuse. Windows do not work on the driver's side, only passenger side. And that fuse was attached like this, like someone custom made it so you don't struggle pulling it in and out. Do you think it's burned? Yeah? Okay, let's put a new one, see if it works. Here's a 10, but let's put a bigger one because it uses a lot of power. I've been working on this all day. How you been? Why did you take so long? We're gonna go ahead and put a 30 amp fuse. Maybe that helps it. And we're gonna push it in there and see what it does. You think that will make it work, Mark? Because I've been struggling all day with this and I've been showing the customers videos on how to do it themselves. Oh yeah, go ahead. Let's push it in there with the flat screwdriver. Go ahead, we're gonna push it in there. Okay, now let's see if the controllers work. All day we've been doing this. Woo, woo, woo. I can't believe it. So that was a problem there. Not that many people know, but there's a fuse in back of here. You have to move this molding out. You got 2 screws on the side. Move it out, pop it out, and you will find a fuse in the back. That fuse gives power to the driver amp. Let's see the back one if it goes down, because the back one wasn't working too. Oh my God. And I even went and bought the controllers and everything, Mark. They all work. Look at that. Oh yeah.